I hope you all are having an amazing Friday. And in this video, I'm going to be doing a rationale on the day trade we took today on NVDA, ticker NVDA. And for those of you that stick around to the end of this video, you're going to get to see this trade play out live. Yes, I did finally get to record a trade live, but keep in mind, I was using a smaller position size than what I usually do because it's Friday. Sometimes on Fridays, volume tends to be a little lower. And the market has been really tough here lately, so I just was being a little extra cautious with my trades today. But before we get started with this, I want you to go ahead and click that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on none of my upcoming videos. More live trades are coming. So yeah, let's just get right into this. For those of you who was watching the market this morning, you know it pulled back. We had a nice dip in the market. The market looked weak. But in my mind, I said, well, we've had a nice pullback. We're oversold. I expected a bounce. As soon as the market opened, I expected a bounce. Maybe not a continuation with a bounce, but I did expect somewhat of a bounce. And when I was looking at this chart, I was looking at this candle here, pre-market. I said, well, it's kind of oversold. We got a nice gap here between this white indicator, which is my 9 EMA. I said, if I can catch this for a scalp from, to fill that gap, I'd make for a nice trade. And it ended up playing, perfect. I got a great feel on my trade. I did buy market. On stocks like NVDA and AMD, you typically can get a decent feel buying market, unless you're buying like some huge amount of contracts. If you're just buying 3 to 5 contracts, you typically get a good feel. Just always be aware of what your spreads are. As you can see from my level at 263.69, we had to move all the way up to, let's see, the high of day was 270, right at the 272 area. For those of you that have any experience with options, you know that's a huge gainer. But I will say this before we watch this trade live. This was a 20-second scalp. 20 seconds or less. So in 20 seconds, I made $540 off this scalp using a small position size. Also, for those of you that are new to my channel, when I'm scalping, a scalp is a trade that lasts seconds to minutes, right? And when I'm scalping using the options, if I can get a 10% return off them options, I consider that a good scalp. So that was my mindset going into this trade. I said, well, if I can get that quick, that quick move, I'm going to take my profits and get out. It ended up being well above 10%, which is perfect. An amazing way to end the week. Now, let's get right into the live trade. Be sure to comment, and if you need anything, just shoot me a DM on Instagram, Twitter, wherever. I always try to reply. I appreciate you all for watching. Hope you enjoy this trade live. Guess I'm going to watch this NVIDIA off the open. Walmart, NVIDIA. Thing is moving weird. Had a look in the video if anyone caught it with me. Nice little move there.